How to fix DoorDash app not working. Whether it's freezing, crashing, or just not loading, these quick fixes can help you get back to ordering your favorite meals in no time. Let's dive into the solutions. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router to improve connectivity. Restart the app. Close the DoorDash app completely by swiping it away from your recent apps, then reopen it. This simple step can resolve minor glitches and refresh the app. Update the DoorDash app. An outdated app can cause performance issues. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for DoorDash, and check if an update is available. If so, update the app to the latest version. Reinstall the app. If the app still isn't working, try uninstalling and reinstalling it. This can fix deeper software issues. Press and hold the DoorDash app icon, tap Uninstall, then download it again from the App Store. Check for service outages. Sometimes the issue might be on DoorDash's end. Visit a site like Down Detector or check DoorDash's social media for outage updates. And that's how you can fix the DoorDash app not working. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and solutions. Thanks for watching.